One of the largest investment companies in agriculture, India-based Karuturi Global signed a land lease agreement with the Ethiopian government in 2010. But last month, the government terminated the deal, taking away the 100,000 hectares of land given to the firm. The Ethiopian government argues the move was occasioned by lack of progress in the project.
Karuturi did manage only to develop 1,200 hectares out of the 100,000 hectares. So in the event of failure on the part of the company to make good on its promise, the natural step for the government to take is to terminate the contract. And of course, the government proceeded.
Meanwhile, Karuturi Global in a statement says the Agriculture Ministry's cancellation last month of the company's 2010 lease is invalid as it didn't follow procedure, contravened an investment agreement between India and Ethiopia, and wrongly accused the company of inadequate progress. Some commentators, however, say the policy in general can help anyone operate fully, though some changes need to be introduced to attract more investment interest.
Policy is not a dogmatic matter, so it should be reviewed in the international context every time. So we need to have a competitive policy package. Currently we do have it, but in the continuous process we should review it and we should have it. We have to widen the enabling environment for a number of international operators as well as local operators.
Karuturi still wants to take its row with the government to court. For the government, there is no legal option left. Meanwhile, analysts say this incident might send negative signals to other investors eyeing the government initiative.
Investors should not be in the business of keeping land forever. They are supposed to develop resources. So if there are investors who are not interested in developing the land, whatever their excuse, then I wouldn't be surprised if such investors are going to be discouraged.
There are close to 200 international companies in Ethiopia operating in the agriculture sector alone. Most work on the country's relatively new horticulture sector. But such serious land lease cancellation cases, as in the likes of Karuturi, do not get to be seen quite often. Observers say there may not be much to do to resolve this case. Group Tara CCTV, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.